Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to slam your opponent in UFC 6. There are two ways to do it, depending on whether you are going for a double leg or a single leg takedown. For a double leg slam, hold L2 and press square and cross on PlayStation, or hold LT and press X and A on Xbox. This will make your fighter shoot in for the takedown. If the takedown is successful and you have lifted your opponent off the ground, you will be able to walk around while carrying them. From here, simply press circle on PlayStation or B on Xbox to slam your opponent onto the mat. After the slam, you'll end up in side control, which gives you the opportunity to land ground and pound strikes, transition into full mount or attempt a submission. You can also perform a slam from a single leg takedown. To do that, hold L2 and press triangle and circle on PlayStation. On Xbox, hold LT and press Y and B to shoot in for the single leg takedown. Once you have successfully lifted your opponent into the air, press circle on PlayStation or B on Xbox to perform the slam. Just like the double leg slam, you will finish in side control after the animation is complete, putting you in a strong position on the ground. Keep in mind that some fighters may have different takedowns available, so if the inputs don't work, check the view moves menu to see the exact button combinations for your fighter. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.